There's some encouraging news in the race to find a coronavirus vaccine. A new study from Oxford University says its experimental vaccine prompted an immune response in hundreds who received the shot, a key sign of progress. Charlie D'Agata spoke to the scientist leading the trials.
America's $1 billion bet on the Oxford vaccine just got a lot closer to paying off. Professor Sarah Gilbert.
What's the most important takeaway from what we've learned today?
That the vaccine is safe and it's giving us strong immune responses, and it should go into further clinical trials.
The strong immune response they'd hoped for, the deployment of antibodies and crucial killer T cells. Antibodies detect a virus and neutralize it. T cells are more like assassins, not only attacking infected human cells, but retaining a memory of the virus, ready to mount a defense the next time the same pathogen tries to invade.
What are the biggest challenges left now that phase 1 and phase 2 are complete or underway? What's next?
Looking at the performance of the vaccine in older people is really important. We know that most vaccines don't give such strong immune responses as the immune system ages.
The Trump administration has put $1.2 billion on the line for drug giant AstraZeneca to produce at least 300 million doses as soon as they're ready to go. In an online briefing, AstraZeneca CEO Pascal Soriot says they're on track.
Our hope is that we can actually start delivering vaccine before the end of the year.
Professor Gilbert is a bit more measured.
Pascal Soriot said this afternoon he's still hoping for like October, November.
Well, we all have hopes. There are no guarantees. I mean, I don't want to put a date on it because it's just impossible to tell. We're working as hard as we can to do everything we need to do as fast as we can, and we'll get the result when we get the result.
In fact, things are moving much faster than at any time in history, from identifying a pathogen to getting this close to developing a workable vaccine. Work here started back in January in what they call their little lab here at Oxford University. Now, the entire world is watching and waiting. Tony?
So far, so good. Charlie, thank you very much.